Hi, Eric. Yeah, you go into the library, your sliders and your carousel slider, and then open up the carousel slider page, and it's pretty much all done through here. Okay, so you want to change the graphic logo. Well, it's loaded in right down here at the bottom of the page, and so with your social icons. Okay, so let's start with the social icons, or let me just preview the page first, and I'll show you where to change each of the things here. Okay, so we'll open up a page, and then we'll slide the sidebar open like so. Okay, so let's start with this guy right here, this graphic logo placeholder. You can use that or get rid of it, but it's basically a secondary logo. You can put a picture in here, whatever you want. Okay, so as I was showing on the page here, this here, see it's white? Well, that's kind of part of the problem is right down here, right above your graphic logo, if you actually click right above it, there's actually an image right there, right? If you double click the image, it tells you where it's located, site graphics, logo graphic. But anyways, you can, right above your logo, if you just click right above it here, it's going to select an image, or you can just go into the code view if you don't want that image, and you can just get rid of this image tag. So do a right click, select tag, and delete it. That's if you don't want this graphic right here. Just delete it or replace it with your own picture. Right? So to replace it with your own picture, what you would do is you could do this. Double click the image, okay, or the white space above it so it opens up the picture properties. Hit the browse button, right? Then you can go to your site or your themed images, and I'll just go to a placeholder and find an image for now, just so you can actually see it, and click OK, and there it is. It shows up there. We save it. It's going to be applied to your page, and then you'll have a picture up here instead of a. There it is right there. There's the picture right here. But let's just go in here and figure out why it's, there we go. Yeah, we need to make sure that we get rid of the height and the width right here. If we're gonna add it like that, okay. All right, so that's how to get rid of that. Now we're gonna scroll on down just a little bit here in our carousel slider page. Okay. Actually, let's go over to the design view. Let's scroll up a little bit. These are the 4 links right here. See these? About, product, services, contact. About, product, services, contact. It's not an actual link, it's just text, and you can just change the text right there. We put a number 1, 2, 3, and 4 because that correlates with each slide in your page. Okay, so that's how to change a picture or get rid of it, how to change these right here. Okay, yeah, this has to, I had to remove that. Let me just save this page here. Let's put it back and then refresh it. There we go. There we go. And that there. Now that's how to get these, change these buttons right here, and just double click on the word. Leave the number where it is. Okay. And just change the word. So you actually just, you can even just go right into here into the code and change the word about, products, services, and contact. And I actually suggest, I think in the video, that's exactly what I suggest you do is we want to leave the numbers right here. Okay, 2, 3, 4, and I'll show you why. When we close the thing up, the numbers show up here. When we expand it, the numbers go away and it's replaced with text. Okay, so we don't want to change the numbers, we just want to change the text. And that's easiest done just right here. So go down to about line 70 or so. Alright, and you'll see the word about. Just double click on the word about, double click on the word products, double click on services, double click on contact, and of course just type in your new text right there if you want to change that. Now the other one is the social icons, and that's actually pulled right out of the shared social icons.htm folder, which is right there. Okay, so I'm going to enable my folder list once again, and it's right here, social icons. Okay, now these are Font Awesome icons, okay, pulled in from the Font Awesome website. So you won't see anything in the design view, it's all going to be in code view. Right. So basically, if you want to have all 5 icons, you can change the link to your Facebook account, your Twitter account, Google, Tumblr, Yelp, or you can actually go to the the Font Awesome website. So pull up a browser, type in Font Awesome in a Google search engine. First thing that comes up is the Font Awesome website, and you go to this is where you're going to land, and go right here to the icons page. Find the icons you want. Now, right down the bottom of this page here are the brand icons, and those are your Facebook and all that sort of thing, right? So let's say you want to put a LinkedIn. what we could do is you find the LinkedIn icon you want to use, right? There's two options here, LinkedIn Square or LinkedIn. Just click it, and then see this FA LinkedIn right here, this stuff in the quotes, just copy this. Then you go back to your site, and you see over here where we have iClass, we have Facebook, Twitter. Say you want to get rid of Yelp and replace it with LinkedIn, just scrub over this right here, the FA, then the FA Yelp, and paste in the LinkedIn, just like that. Then change your link to go to the LinkedIn website right here. And that's all you have to do.